Hello everybody, welcome back to the Broke Foodie. Today I'm going to make a wonderful winter comfort food called Picadillo. Now there are different styles of Picadillo. Today I'm going to be making Picadillo that is a ground beef stew. So here in my pan I have about a pound of ground beef. And later I'm going to be adding vegetables. I have potato, celery, carrot, onion, jalapeno, tomato, and a little bit of mushroom. You can put any vegetables that you want. But for a traditional picadillo, you have to have at least onion, tomato, and jalapeno. So I'm just going to show you our family's favorite style. So I have some ground beef in here. I'm just going to cook it up until it's all brown. So just get your ground beef browned, and I'll do that, and then I'll show you when it's time to add the other vegetables. As you can see, my meat has browned nicely, so now I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. The first vegetable I'm going to put in is my carrots. Because it's a harder vegetable, it needs a little bit more time than the others to soften. So I'm just going to cook this for another 2 minutes, and then I'll put in the rest of my vegetables. But first I want to show you my potato, because potato is the next vegetable that you put in. And as you can see, I have cut them in very tiny little pieces of very small dice. You need to do this so your potatoes can cook. If you wanted to do bigger pieces, then you would have to put the potato in a lot earlier to get them to soften. So I think this is a wonderful way to put potato in picadillo. It cooks up very fast, it's nice and soft. So that's going to go in a couple of minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add the rest of my vegetables. First, my potato that I diced very small. This is 1 diced stalk of celery. Half of an onion. This is 2 jalapenos. I only de-seeded 1. I left the seeds in the other one. You could leave all the seeds if you like it spicy, or take out all the seeds if you like it less spicy. I have here 1 chopped tomato. I have some leftover mushrooms. And finally, I have a bunch of chopped cilantro. Just stir that all around together. It smells so good. I love the smell of ground beef cooking. Alrighty. Looks good. Okay, it's time to add the water. So I have here 2 cups of water. And for the extra flavor and to season your soup, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Okay, now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. And I'll show you how our stew looks then. See ya! It's been 10 minutes and my stew is done. I'm gonna turn off the heat. It smells so good. It's so nice and warm. The potatoes are soft. The carrots are done. This is how the finished stew looks. The next thing you do, of course, is just check it for seasoning. And that'll be up to you, whatever your tastes like. For me, it's perfect and it tastes so delicious. I'm going to serve this up and I'll show you the way I like to eat it. And here is the final product. I like to serve it with some corn tortilla and a squeeze of lime. I hope you try this recipe. It is so good to have on a cold day. Thank you for watching The Broke Foodie and I'll see you next time. Bye!